Good morning everyone. Let us do some problems on heights and distance. Your first question is the angles of elevation of the top of a pole from 2 points distant x and y from its foot and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Then the height of the pole is given a pole and 2 points distance x and y from its foot. Okay. This is a point, it is from distance x and this point is at a distance y. Named it as A, B, then C and D. Angle of elevation are complementary, that means let it be theta, then it will be 90 minus theta. So we have to find out the height of the pole, that means AB. Okay, we have to find out AB. Okay. Now in triangle A, B and C, tan of theta is how much? AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to how much? H upon X. Tan theta is equal to H upon X. Let it be equation 1. Now in triangle A, B, D, tan of 90 minus theta, this angle, tan, that means opposite side AB or H upon BD is equal to H upon Y. Now tan of 90 minus theta is how much? Cot of theta is equal to H upon Y. Let it be equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 and 2. Multiplying equation 1 and 2, we get tan theta into cot theta is how much? H by X, H by Y. Tan theta into cot theta is how much? 1. That is equal to H square upon X Y, or implies H square is equal to XY. That means H is equal to root over of X upon, root over of X into Y. So option C is your right answer. Okay. The height of the pole is root over of X, Y. Next, question number 2. If the ratio of the length of a pole and its shadow is 1:√3, then the angle of elevation of the sun is, means suppose this is a pole and its shadow, ratio given is 1:√3. Suppose this is X, then its shadow will be √3 of X. Named it as A, B, C. We have to find out the theta. So in triangle ABC, tan of theta is how much? AB upon BC is equal to X upon √3 of X. Implies tan theta is how much? 1 upon √3. That implies tan theta is equal to tan of 30, or theta is how much? 30 degree. So option C. Okay. Next. A wire connects the top of two poles of height 20 meter and 14 meter. That means two poles are given. Suppose these are two poles. Okay. One is 20 meter. Another one is 14 meter. Find the length of the wire if it makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. It makes an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. This is wire. It connects two poles. Okay. It angles 30 degree. We have to find out, name it as A, this is B, C, D and E. we have to calculate AB length, sorry, AD. Let it be X. Okay. In figure, CD is how much? CD is equal to CE plus ED. So CD is 20 equal to CE is how much? AB is equal to CE. It is equal to 14 plus ED. From this we can calculate ED is equal to how much? 6 meter. ED we calculate as 6 meter. We have to find out AD X. This is 30 degree theta angle. So this is opposite side. We have to find this hypotenuse. So apply sin 30. So in triangle AED, sine of 30 is how much? ED upon AD is equal to, and this is 6x, and sine 30 is how much? Half 6 upon x. That implies x is equal to 12 meter. Yes, option A. Okay. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a pole standing on a horizontal plane from a point A is alpha. After walking a distance d towards the foot of the pole, the angle of elevation is found to be beta. The height of the pole is. The angle of elevation of the top of a pole at a point A. This is a pole at a point A. Angle of elevation is how much? It is alpha. After walking a distance d towards the foot of the pole, from here it's walk a distance d towards the foot of the pole, and at this point angle of elevation is how much? It is beta. We have to find the height of the pole. Okay, this is point A, let it be B, then C, and it is D. Okay, we have to find out height h. Let's BC is equal to x. Now in triangle BCD, tan of beta is how much? Tan of beta is equal to CD upon CB is equal to h upon x, or implies x is equal to h upon tan of beta, or we can write h cot beta. Let it be equation 1. Now in triangle DCA, tan of alpha is equal to CD upon CA. Okay, that implies tan of alpha CD is how much? H upon CA can be written as CB plus BA is equal to H upon X plus D, or implies X plus D is equal to H upon tan alpha is equal to H cot alpha. 1 upon tan alpha is cot alpha. Now putting value of x from equation 1, x is how much? H cot beta. So we can write H cot beta plus D is equal to H of cot alpha, or implies reverse the side. So H cot alpha minus H of cot beta is equal to D. Take H is common, so H cot alpha minus cot beta is equal to D, or H is equal to how much? D upon cot alpha minus cot beta. Yes, so it is option D upon cot alpha minus cot beta, option B. Okay, next question number 5. Two men on either side of a cliff 75 meter high observe the angles of elevation of the top of the cliff to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between the two men. Figure is given. We have to distance between two men means CD. We have to find out C and CD distance. In triangle ABC, tan 30 is how much? AB upon AC, or tan 30 is how much? 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB is given as 75 upon AC. So AC is how much? 75 root 3 meter. Now in triangle ABD, tan of 60 is equal to AB upon AD is equal to 75 upon AD. So tan 60 is how? Root 3 upon 75 AD. That means AD is how much? 75 upon root 3. Multiply it by root 3, that is equal to 25 root 3 meter. We have to find out CD. CD is equal to how much? CA plus AD. CA or AC is how much? 75 root 3 plus 25 root 3, that is equal to how much? 100 root 3. It is given in option 100 root 3 meter, option C. Okay, thank you.